Before choosing your papers in MyWaikato, make sure you understand which papers you need to take in the year ahead. Check the planner for your qualification on the university website. Once you've decided on your papers, log into MyWaikato and go to Qualifications and Papers. Select Complete Enrollment. Work through each of the steps in order. Choosing your papers is the last step. Here's a tip. Paper selection works best on a desktop or laptop computer using Google Chrome as the browser. When you're ready, click Select Papers. For some first-year students, to help you get started, we've recommended some papers based on your selection of degree and major. If there is a drop-down box available, you can select the trimester you wish to take that paper. If there is no drop-down box available, then there is only one option for that paper. Click Next and continue to Paper Selection. The recommended papers display here under Selected Papers. If you don't see any papers here or you need to add more, we will take a look at that now. Remember those different groups of papers in your degree planner? They are here in your paper selection screen. Let's start with the first list. Click View List. You can enter a paper code in the search box or use the advanced search to find papers and narrow your search down. Choose the papers you want from this list for this year by clicking Add. Those papers will show on the right hand side of the screen under Selected Papers. You can remove papers from here using the rubbish bin icon. Once you're done with that list, move down to the next, read the instructions, and then add the papers you want. You may not need all your lists this year. Some might contain papers you've already done or papers you can't do yet. Some papers are listed more than once, so make sure you choose the right location and the trimester you prefer. When it comes to electives, you'll simply see a search box. Type your chosen paper code or part of its title in the search box to find it. Some papers might prompt a message saying you can't take that paper. If you're not sure about the reason for this, contact the Student Centre. If you still want to take that paper, you may need to apply for special permission. Once you've chosen all your papers, take a look at your selected papers on the right-hand side. A full-time workload is 60 points per trimester and 120 points per year. However, you can only take a maximum of 45 points in trimester C. Now click View Timetable. This shows how your timetable will look during the year. Red means there's a clash and you should look at swapping your papers. But if everything is looking good, click Next and confirm papers. You've submitted your paper choices to the university for consideration. We will send you an enrollment agreement. When this arrives, log into MyWaikato and accept your enrollment agreement to complete your enrollment. If you need help choosing papers or using MyWaikato, contact our friendly Student Centre team.